that is not JioBook, but this. Today we're going to talk about JioBook and compare it with other laptops in the same price range. And if you're thinking about buying a JioBook, then please watch this video till the end, and then you can decide by yourself whether to buy JioBook or go for other brands in the same price. Well, let's jump right into it. So before we jump into the conclusion, let me show you what a notebook is, those who don't know. Notebooks are a cheaper and a very lighter version of laptops, and by cheap I mean this cheap. And no, you cannot play games on. And Chromebooks are notebooks but with Chrome OS. Like imagine Android in a laptop. That's just it. So now let's just jump right in the comparison. Let's go. But first let us look at the specs of JioBook. So JioBook comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor and also comes with 2GB RAM, which is good, and 5000 mAh battery, which lasts up to 8+ hours, and a Jio OS, which is an Android. So these are the specs of the JioBook, and by looking at the price, it is around 15,000 rupees. One can say that it is value for money, but not me. I'm saying it is a bit overpriced, and you will see why in a second. Now this is a comparison between JioBook and Asus Chromebook Flip. So JioBook comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and Asus comes with the Intel Celeron. And the JioBook comes with 2GB RAM and Asus on the other hand has 4GB RAM. And JioBook has Jio OS obviously, and Chromebook has Chrome OS, which is also Android. And JioBook is, I think it's priced around 15,000 rupees, and Asus Chromebook Flip is 19,950, which is 20,000, which is 5,000 more. Now let's talk about another laptop, that is Lenovo IdeaPad 3, which is also a Chromebook, and it is priced around at the same price as JioBook, and this is the comparison between JioBook and Lenovo IdeaPad. So now this is a comparison between JioBook and Lenovo Slim 3. So JioBook comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and Lenovo comes with also Intel Celeron. JioBook has 2GB RAM, Lenovo has 4GB RAM, JioBook comes with Jio OS and Lenovo Slim comes with Chrome OS. Now both are priced around 15,000 rupees, which gives a competition to JioBook. So now that you've got a detailed comparison, I think you are smart enough to make a decision by yourself that which is better for you. But generally, we are not smart enough. We want the good old pros and cons. So I got it ready for you. Here are the pros and cons of JioBook. So first let's look at the pros. So it is extremely affordable and has cellular data. That means whenever you don't have Wi-Fi, you can use this cellular data. You can insert a SIM card. And cons, as you can see, there are trash specifications compared to the other laptop in the same price range and not even good value of money. It is also cheap build quality, terrible performance. It is worse than any mid-range phones out there. There is between 15 to 20,000. You can buy a mid-range phone in this price, and not the best GUI. Jio OS, not the best. Now at this point of the video, you already decided yourself that what you are going to buy. But if you are thinking of buying a JioBook, well, don't get upset, because Jio is good for you if your work is entirely based on web surfing and cloud-based services, and you used Jio products in the past and you like Jio OS. But for someone like me who doesn't like Jio OS and doesn't want just an average performance, well, Asus and Lenovo are definitely the go-to. For me, Asus and Lenovo is the winner. And you know who else can be a winner? You, because you will dive in a world of tech knowledge by hitting the subscribe button and reserve a place in my heart. In my heart. Alright, now enough of this crap, I'm waiting.